In today's video, I'm going to be taking you inside of Walmart to see what's new for the fall. Let's get right into it. This was actually my first time in this particular Walmart. I actually thought I was in another one, but when I got inside, I knew that it wasn't the one. But this one wasn't a bad Walmart. I saw that they had like the sweatsuits out. I actually seen this particular one at my local Walmart that I absolutely love, but I was closer to this area, so I wanted to check out this Walmart. Yes, affordable sweatsuits, you guys. And I was shocked that they had overalls. I was like, okay, overalls is coming back in style. I am loving it. I did pick up this little Sherpa pullover. I thought that was really cute for the fall. And y'all know I love me some sweatpants. I've already got the gray one, but I saw that they also had brown, so I added them to my cart. Spoiler alert, I added them to my cart. They were only $9.98, I think they were. I did get a size extra small. When I got home, I saw that my gray sweatpants was a size small. So now I gotta take them back and switch them out for a size small because I like the way the gray one actually fits on me. They also had these jackets and puffer vests out for fall. I thought that was really cute. This black faux leather jacket that they have, absolutely love it. Now I already got like a biker jacket that I got last year or a couple of years ago that's still holding up, so I didn't pick up any jackets, but I thought the puffer vest was really cute. I have a lot of those, but if you are interested in some puffer vests, then check out Walmart because those were extremely cute to me. And when I came across the pants section, I was shook because look at the leopard print pants. I absolutely love it. I thought those were extremely cute. And then they had cargo jeans, y'all. And I felt like these were like the stretchy jeans. So if you are a girl with a booty, I think those will be perfect for you. Wasn't really feeling these shining pants, but hey, whatever floats y'all boat, you can actually get this. And they got Levi's in Walmart, y'all. Levi's in Walmart for $36. Like, you can't even beat that. I was shook. And this particular Walmart had me hyped up that I actually had to go to another Walmart. I was seeing sweaters inside of this Walmart that I was actually really feeling it, especially the black one. That was giving me like crop sweater vibes, I guess you would say. And inside of this other Walmart, they had more cargo pants, which I actually liked. I like that little varsity jacket. I feel like I got so many varsity jackets with my initial on it. Absolutely love it. And here's their section of pants and the sweatpants again, because I am in a different Walmart at this point because I just had to go back to my regular Walmart that I normally would go to. And I'm just walking around, checking out everything. They also had those same jeans, but I feel like I got enough jeans right now. And I actually feel like these are the ones that I actually got in my closet already right now. But yeah, sweaters, hoodies, these corduroy pants. I guess that's what you would call them, corduroy or suede pants. I thought those was really cute as well. Perfect for the fall. And these are jeans. Oh my God. Like, Walmart has been stepping that game up, y'all. I cannot stress that enough. Y'all need to be checking out y'all local Walmart. This one also had a few of the overalls. I think they're pretty popular because they didn't have really much, but I was feeling these chocolate, rusty colored boots. I finally made it back home, so I'm going to show you the pieces that I actually picked up from today's haul. And then I'm also going to share with you some items that I've already had from Walmart that I think is worth purchasing this fall. Starting off with this bustier top. Absolutely love this. I feel like faux leather is perfect for the fall time. You can put it on with a blazer. You can style it with another black faux leather jacket, a denim jacket. I think that it will look really cute with some trousers or some jeans. Absolutely love this bustier top. Love, love, love it. Can't wait to actually wear this fall. Next up are some basics. Now when I seen these, it's giving Skims to do. Now these feel extremely soft. They are buttery smooth. They are some stretch fitted tees. I got it in the color black, and I also got it in brown. I feel like these would be perfect with some jeans and also some sweatpants, especially if you just like running errands or want something casually to put on. These are like the perfect basics, you know, you need this fall. Now, my last video, I shared this black faux leather jacket. I didn't actually pick this up today. I've been had this since last year. It's actually holding up really well. I did a video on how to style this black faux leather jacket. I will link that video down in the description box below just in case you are interested in getting the jacket and don't know what to wear with it. But I would definitely recommend this black faux leather jacket. It's extremely not heavy, but it's high quality. I feel it's not like flimsy or anything. It has like the silver detailing on it. It gives me biker vibes, and I just love this black faux leather jacket because I've been looking for a black faux leather jacket for quite some time, and what I found out is that they are extremely expensive, even as a faux leather jacket and not a real leather. But I thought that this was really good and at an affordable price at Walmart, $24.98. Is definitely worth purchasing. Next up are these black straight leg pants. Now, what I love most about them is that it has pockets on the side, giving me cargo vibes, and another thing is that it has elastic waistband on the back. So for my girls that have booties and things like that, this would be perfect for you because I know we don't like that gap in the back, and because it has that elastic waistband, I actually just got my regular size. So this is a size small. I'm hoping that it will actually fit. Probably my next video, I will style some of these pieces and show you guys how to put some outfits together. But when I seen these black faux leather pants with the pockets on the side, I knew that I actually had to have them. I love that they are wide leg as well. I'm getting more into the wide leg pants because I can actually wear my low top sneakers. So a lot of times I don't wear my low top Nike Dunk lows in the fall and winter time because of course they are more like the summery sneakers. But because they are wide leg and they kind of cover it, nobody can actually tell that you're wearing low top shoes. And I think that they will be perfect to wear the Nike Dunk Pandas. I am going to wear those, but to wear the Nike Dunk Panda lows with these black straight leg faux leather pants. I actually got these pants, I think last Christmas or maybe the Christmas before last. I signed up to be a Walmart creator, and at the time they gave me like a gift card. I think I had like a $50 gift card. I actually did a Walmart haul on it on being a Walmart content creator, so I will link that video down below as well just in case you guys are interested. It was me just beginning to take social media serious, and yeah, Walmart actually gave me a gift card to go shopping, and I actually found this on sale. I paid $4 because this was actually on the clearance rack. I have styled this so many different ways, and that's what really made me pick up the other black faux leather pants is because I love the fit of these. Absolutely love these. These are just like some regular black faux leather pants. It doesn't have any additional pockets. It only has pockets on the back. The pockets on the front are like fake pockets or whatever, but I have styled these so many different ways. Love, love, love them. Like I said before, I've been had these for like a couple of years now, and as you can tell, they are still holding up very, very, very well. That's exactly why I picked up the other faux leather pants that I actually seen in the Walmart. It is the same brand, No Boundaries. So No Boundaries seems to have good quality clothing. I would definitely recommend if you do see it inside of Walmart. Next up are my gray sweatpants. Now I picked this up probably like a couple of weeks ago, and I'm just a sweatpants type of girl. I like comfy wear. I like to style them every which way as well. I like to throw them on when I'm just going to run my errands. And when I saw that these actually kind of like folds over a little bit and had the drawstring showing, I knew that I had to actually cop them. They also have pockets and they are wide leg. Now I would say they are not tall girl friendly because I'm assuming because you have to fold them down. Well, you don't have to actually fold them down, but if you fold them down, they are a little bit on the high leg end or whatever. I will insert a video of me actually wearing these particular ones. I got this one in a size small. I love the fit of them. But yeah, these are gray sweatpants if you are considering, looking for some gray sweatpants inside of Walmart. I actually picked up the brown sweatpants today. Now, I did size down a little bit. I thought that I had got the gray ones in a size extra small. So that's the reason why I picked up an extra small in these. I hope that they fit. I hope they are not too tight on me. This is exactly how the sweatpants will actually come. As you can see, it's kind of like folded over. This chocolate brown, I'm thinking about like pairing it with the chocolate top to kind of like give it more of like a comfy, casual vibe. If I'm just chilling around the house, I'm not really doing anything, but I still want to look cute. I think that this would like match perfectly with it. And if I'm going out and I wanted to style it, I'll probably would throw on like some brown sneakers as well to kind of bring out the brown. Or I might even do like a pop of color and just accessorize it with like a bag or a hat or something like that. But these are the brown sweatpants that I actually picked up today. Absolutely love them, and I can't wait to wear them, y'all. Next up are some camo cargo pants. Now, if you do not know, I'm obsessed with camo. It's like a basic to me, and every time I see them in Walmart, I tend to kind of like get them. Now, these are just like regular camo cargo pants. It says they are regular taper, and I just feel like they look good. Like they are like a lighter army green or whatever. It's not like that bold dark army green, so I thought that this would be a little bit different from the other pairs that I actually have because they are a little bit lighter. I love that it has all of the pockets, y'all, like so many different pockets that I can kind of like put things in, and I can style it like with graphic tees. I'm actually gonna style it with a blazer as well to try that out. I love the fact that it is straight leg. I'm liking straight leg as well because you can kind of fold it up at the bottom and have your sneakers showing, kind of like what I got going on right now. Not sure if you can actually see my sneakers, but yeah, actually what I got going on right now, kind of like folding it up at the bottom, styling it with a graphic tee or maybe even a crop top, and yeah, kind of like looking stylish, but you know, still being comfortable and cute. Now these are my favorite camo cargo pants. Y'all, these pants right here ease down. I actually did a review on these pants. That's how much I actually love them. I will link that review down below in the description box as well. But what I love most about these pants, y'all, is that they have fleece in the inside. So these are perfect for those colder mornings, colder nights, perfect for the winter time if you have a husband, because these pants are in the men's section. So they're not in the ladies section, they are in the men's section. So if you have a husband that may work outside and does construction or anything where he can wear camo cargo pants and he want to stay warm, these are it. These are perfect for that. I got a size, what is it, 29 by 30 because I am short. I am 5'1". I will insert a picture of me actually wearing these because I have styled these so many different ways. I just love these. I styled it with a blazer. I got so many compliments from that particular outfit. And yeah, these are like my favorite camo cargo pants that I got from Walmart. I didn't pick these up this week. I've been had these, and when I seen them and I see other camo cargo pants, I know that I gotta pick it up inside of Walmart because they are affordable too, y'all. Like I think these was less than $30, so you cannot beat that heavy duty, high quality, and yeah, they're still holding up. They have been through the washing machine so many different times because I have wore these a whole lot, y'all. Now I had to go and check out the sneaker section, the women's shoes section or whatever, and I came across these boots. Now the reason why I actually got these boots is because I don't have any brown boots. I have black and purple, I have white, I have black and green, but I don't necessarily have any brown boots. And I thought for the fall that this would be a perfect color for the fall, and it's giving me like combat boot vibes. I love the fact that they does have laces in them, so I can kind of like tie them up. I can kind of style them with jeans. I just can't wait to style these. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna style them, but when I saw these and I saw the color, the dark brown chocolate, I just was falling in love, and I felt like these would be perfect for the fall time, y'all. So these were $27.98, so I thought that these were very affordable, and I got it in the size 6, which is my regular women's size. And yeah, I like the chunky platform on it. I just love everything about these boots. I tried it on in the store, so I know that I can fit it. It has a zip on the side, so I love that as well. But yeah, I can't wait to style these boots. Now, I wouldn't be a sneakerhead if I didn't go in the store and find me some sneakers. Now, I told the girls that you don't have to spend a whole lot of money to look cute. And when I saw these sneakers inside of Walmart, and if you do not know, purple is my favorite color. And when I saw that these came in purple, had a little bit of purple in them, I had to get them. They were $19.98, y'all. So I'm going to be putting some outfits together that's going to be totally under $50 because I know the girls be like, this outfit is not under $50 because of your shoes. Now we got some shoes that I can kind of like put some outfits together with and make the whole entire outfit under $50, and I can't wait to actually style this. I already got an idea in mind of how I'm gonna style this. So I got one outfit in mind. I gotta get a few more outfits in mind together. I gotta get all my stuff unpacked. I just moved to this new place over here, so that's why I haven't, you know, pushed out the video just yet. But I'm definitely gonna be doing some outfits with these. I thought that these was extremely cute. They come in all white, they come in all black, they actually come in hot pink as well. I'm actually still on the hunt for the hot pink ones because I want those colors as well. And yeah, I thought they were some really cute, affordable shoes. And like I said before, I wouldn't be a true sneakerhead if I didn't actually cop these and actually give you guys some outfit inspiration with some affordable shoes as well, because it's not all about just getting the most popular, trendy sneakers. I feel about it anyway. So that is all of the items that I actually purchased from Walmart today, and any other time that I have been to Walmart that I thought that you guys should know about, especially because we are going into the fall season and the winter season. I will link everything that I have mentioned in this video down below in the description box. If I cannot find exact items, I will have similar items linked on my LTK, but make sure you check out my Walmart video on how to style a black faux leather jacket, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.